Hi, this is Chris Rempel from Affiliate Armory. I'm just going to show you a couple sample files from the first module, the reverse engineered super affiliate advertising profiles from the Affiliate Intelligence archive. So, as you can see, we've organized this data based on the affiliate network. And so CJ, ClickBank, ClickScore, etc. Obviously, if you open those folders, you can see databases that pertain to each affiliate. So let's go to ClickBank. We're all familiar with ClickBank, I think. And let's just choose one at random here. Let's just, that sounds funny. Wongy. Alright, let's see what Wongy's doing. Okay. Just going to open it up in OpenOffice. And looks like Wongy is promoting public record stuff. So the general format for each of these files is that there's a keyword in the first column, or the first column is the keywords. The second column is the products that the affiliate is promoting. The third is ad position. That's the average ad position that their ad is in for that keyword, and the number of ads, competing ads for that keyword as well. The clicks per day estimate based on their ad campaign. This is coming from the Google API, which is notoriously inaccurate for any kind of traffic estimate. But in general, anything over, honestly, a zero for any of these files is a keyword that packs a bit of punch. And even the ones that do show a zero here, that could just be the affiliate's budget, or it could be a, whatever Google's fickle system is. In general, if you just look at the keyword, and if it seems like a general keyword, for example, address lookup in Canada, you know that gets some. That's going to get some searches. So you can use any of the free tools on the net to do that. And but the valuable part here, though, is more or less realizing what someone else is advertising on, and then seeing what kind of competition you're up against. So, for example, address license plate is crawling with advertisers. It's got an average ad count of 11 advertisers. The cost per click is an average of the value is 73. That's 73 cents, I believe. And then the organic competition is only 2,640 pages. So for this keyword, address license plate, you could rank for it in probably a day or two. So that's just one small example. Let's open another database here. Let's open this guy's. Whoops. Clicked a bit too fast here. We'll open with OpenOffice. So this guy is not promoting one product solely. He's got a bunch of products in his portfolio. Let's sort the data so we can sort of clearly see what he's doing. So let's just arrange the data by product, and now it's easier to understand. So we've got he's got 3 keywords he's bidding on for a product named 300 dates. He's got 1 keyword that he's bidding on for 7-min muscle, and it's just 7-minute muscle, which is probably just the product name. So it looks like he's got some sniping campaigns, but then he's also got some campaigns, if we scroll down, here's one that he's taking more seriously, and actually has an entire set of keywords that he's promoting this product with. So this product is seems to be about tinnitus, which is, I think, here we go, yeah, ringing in ears. That's what you get when you go to a loud concert without earplugs. Anyway, we can see what he's promoting for this, and constant ringing in ears, constant ringing of the ears, ear congestion, tinnitus, eardrops for tinnitus, etc., etc. And we're able to see which of these keywords are very easy to rank for. So, for example, anything with under 5,000 competitors in this column here is going to be very easy to go after. And truth be told, I mean, if you have any kind of diligence with this, you can go after anything that's under 50,000 quite easily. And it's not the only factor, but it's a very big one. So here's one that probably is very targeted. It's the British Tinnitus Association. There's only 8,000 or so competitors. There's another one, Australian Tinnitus Association, 3,000 competitors. Aspirin tinnitus. People are wondering if they're taking aspirin is going to help their tinnitus issue. 5,000 competitors, and so on and so forth. So this really just breaks it down in terms of what is easily up for grabs, and you can sort the data by the organic competition level as well. So that's a small glimpse at just one affiliate, and this guy is advertising on there we go, almost 1,500 keywords. So and he's got, looks like 5 or 6 main hardcore promotions that he's doing. So for Gov Records, for example, which is a public records product, he's got almost 1,000 keywords that he's advertising on. So that's pretty powerful stuff. This is, again, this resource is more for market finding and finding holes where you might not have otherwise looked, but it entirely reverse engineers everything that they're doing and shows you exactly what they're bidding on, what products they're promoting, and so on. And if you've got an affiliate that's investing a lot of time into one product, like for example the tinnitus product or public records, well, that's probably a pretty good indication that A, there's lots of traffic, and B, it's well worth their time doing. So these are things that you can exploit very easily given my proprietary data here with the organic competition. You can see what's easily up for grabs, so it's incredibly powerful. And then we can go to some of the other ones here. Max Bounty, which is primarily lead generation offers and stuff. We can see it's the same format as the one we just looked at in ClickBank. So this guy's promoting insurance stuff, and we can see, and by the way, insurance payouts are huge in CPA and stuff like that. We can see that the product code is 2213, and you can just see what that is by going to his URL. You can see his ad title, ad description, and same with ClickBank and so on as well. It's all there. Now you can see the cost per clicks are increasing greatly as comparative values. But there's also some pretty powerful stuff here. We've got buy insurance life term. We have under 2,000 competitors for that in organic competition. So that is an incredibly valuable keyword that you could generate leads for and probably get paid like $10 a lead, and you could rank for it in 3 days. So even with minimal traffic, that would be worth a lot of money to you. So that's a keyword right there. I mean, that's how powerful this is. You can go through all these databases and stuff, and literally you just got gold nuggets dropping out of everywhere because you can see what's easily accessible to you as an organic marketer, regardless of the pay-per-click costs and whatever. It doesn't matter. You can set up a blog on even like Blogspot or whatever, and you can rank for keywords like Australia life insurance with only 5,000 competitors, buy insurance life term under 2,000 competitors, and so on. I mean, this stuff is a gold mine, and that's just that's 2 examples, I suppose, of 584. So this will keep you busy for a while.